Hi friends, welcome back to Rupa's Cuisine. Hope you're all fine during this pandemic. Today I'm going to make a very simple and easy recipe of stuffed capsicum. I hope you all will like it. So let's get started. For making stuffed capsicum, here I have taken 6 capsicum. I have removed the top and scooped out the seeds, as you can see, in all the capsicums. Around 1.5 tablespoons of cashews, 2 potatoes boiled and grated, 300 grams of paneer grated, 1 onion and 1 green chilli finely chopped, garam masala, salt and oil. Now I have placed the pan and adding little olive oil, maybe around a teaspoon of oil. Here I'm just placing the capsicum. It should not be fully cooked. For about 5 minutes. That's enough. After about 2 to 3 minutes, it's done. I'm just removing it in the plate. Let it cool down. By the time I will do the stuffing. Now for the stuffing, I have put little oil, maybe a half a teaspoon. It had already oil. There was already oil in the pan. I'm adding the kaju first. When it's turning a bit golden brown, as you can see, now I'm adding the onion and the green chilies. The heat is on medium flame. Here. Now I'm adding little salt, just right for the stuffing, according to your taste, and little garam masala. I'm getting a very nice aroma. Now I'm adding the paneer, which I have grated. Now I have switched off the gas. Let it cool down for about 2 minutes. Then I will add the grated potato. Stuffing is now cooled down. Now I am adding the grated potatoes. Mix it nicely. Now the capsicum is also cooled, so now I will be, as you can see how I am stuffing it inside. Stuff it generously. See? Now, similarly, I'll do the rest. As you can see, I have stuffed the paneer and potato in the capsicum. Now, all my capsicum is completely stuffed. Now, let's do the gravy. The ingredients required for the gravy are, here I have taken 2 onions and 5 garlic pods. I have grinded into a smooth paste. 2 medium-sized tomatoes into a smooth paste. Little turmeric, amchur powder, red chili powder. I have taken here around 1.5 teaspoons. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, which is less spice, and salt to taste, and of course the garam masala. Now I have switched on the gas. It's on medium flame. Adding little oil, around 2 teaspoons. To this I am adding the onion and garlic paste. Let it turn golden brown. Then I will be adding the tomato. You can see the onion has turned golden brown and the raw smell of the onion is gone. Now I'll be adding the tomato paste. Now we have to cook this till the oil separates from the paste. Now, as you can see, the oil is separating from the gravy. Now I will be adding all the masala. First, half teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, here I am using the Kashmiri chili powder, so I can add generously. And when you're adding the salt, please remember you have added in the stuffing also. Salt to taste. Giving it a good mix. Let the masala blend with the gravy for about 2 minutes. Then to this I will be placing the capsicum in this and cook it for about 10 minutes. Now I am adding little garam masala. And before placing the capsicum, I will be adding little water to the gravy. Give it a boil and then I will be placing the capsicum. Now I am adding little water. Maybe around quarter cup. After adding water, I am increasing the flame to high so that it starts boiling. and when it's boiling I will place the capsicum. See, as you can see now it started boiling. Now I'm just placing the capsicum in the gravy. And I will close it with the lid, lower the flame and let it be in the gravy for about 10 minutes. After about 4 to 5 minutes, just keep flipping the capsicum. Don't worry, the stuffing is not going to come out. I'm just flipping it out so that the masala goes on all the sides. And again close it and keep it for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, now the capsicum is completely done. In a serving plate, serve it with I'll be adding little coriander leaves now, fresh coriander leaves. When you're serving, in the serving bowl, again place this and add few coriander leaves and then have it with nice hot roti, naan, fulka of your choice. Serve it with, top it with coriander leaves and serve it hot. I hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to Rupa's Cuisine. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Stay safe.